ask questions, leave comments. Okay, so now, before we were doing over here, right? We were saying we're setting the preset values here. Underneath the problem, we were given it no problem, sorry, solution. We were given it no solution yet, but how about we just make a blank? That's the easy way. Because why? I'll tell you why. Because over here, when we go inside the thing, double click, 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 double click. I want to move over a little bit, make it a little nicer. Because it's multi-line, it's okay to be like this too. And this one, this could be interfering with our other text, which I don't want it doing. Okay, that's nice. All right, so we'll add another icon here. So you see we're actually creating a little small little panel here, right? Over here we're gonna have just drag in and copy Alt left mouse click drag to copy, and we're gonna see if there's some kind of thing, maybe a sun, I don't know. And this one is sometimes visible if the current, no priority, but if the current solution text is equal to empty. So if the current text is empty, show it. Otherwise, we already got a solution, so no need to show it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this into like a sun or something, some kind of something bright. There is something at the other end of the tunnel, guys. Don't worry about it. There are brighter days. Just need to look for them. There we go. That's like a nice sun. And what we also can do here, guys, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna go inside here. Gotta double click, remember, all the time to get deep in here. And I'm gonna create another rectangle because I want to make my a little panel for this to look kind of pretty inside of here. And if you want to know if you're inside of this list view item, just drag it over a little bit over here, and if you see it's not overlapping, that means it's not a size. So copy, delete, go inside there, go inside there, go inside there, and then paste it. Now you see it's overlapping everything on different lines there. See down below in the top. See, just that means that it's inside, and that's what we want. So it's inside. So we're gonna drag this down. That looks pretty good. What we're gonna do is we don't want no background, but we do want to have a shadow, and then we'll go get these guys and move these guys on top here. We'll expand this a little bit. Oh, come on, guys. Zoom in. Expand this a little bit here. A little on the left, a little on the right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Double click, double click. Double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. You know what that means? That means this is on top of that. So how I solve that? Go in here, double click. Control C, Command C, Control X, Command X. Double click to go back into this guy. Paste it right on top. Now it is inside there. And then if you double click on it again, you get out of that group for a second. And you'll go into the group deeper. And now we have a little panel. I just want to make it look attractive, but not too like over crazy, right? I don't know if that's good enough, but for now, let's deal with it. Whoops. Okay. Other thing I do after that, double click to get this guy again. Click on the two of them. Make it a group. You can call it ticket panel. Move it over to the right. See, I think it's a little bit too something, so I'm gonna try to change a little bit. Yeah. 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 Then what we can do is inside of these dudes, double click on them. They're 24. Let's make it smaller. Let's make them like 18. Each of them 18. All right. So it looks a little bit better, I think. And these kinds will kind of move around. They might move around a little bit because they're not always showing up. in the actual panel. Just get, some kind of look. A little bit better than it was before. Group it again. Sure that's grouped. I don't know, something like that. Let me run it. And we got a little panel there. Not that beautiful, I think. Not that beautiful at all. You know what else we gotta do? We gotta connect it to this guy over here too, so that it keeps its space. And then this should have a height already here. Go inside here. This group should have a height. See? Should have a height of 132. So you do more, it'll be higher. See? So it should be okay. I might have to get it so it lines itself up. Let's try it again. See? Well, guys, that's the best I'm gonna do for now. Even though Okay. So I mean, it's not that great, but it works for what it works. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're actually gonna make this thing. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's gonna be interesting, and it's gonna be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.